Hi everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have a Walmart haul for you all. And not only that, I'm going to have an unboxing and also a giveaway. This is also going to be an announcement that my sister, who I have been kind of introducing to you and I was telling you about, I was preparing for her wedding. I was helping her out. You know, I did a DIY, which I'm going to be inserting here in my upper right hand corner. Something new that's going to happen here in my channel. She's going to be a regular contributor here. We're going to start off with just probably once a week. She likes also to do crafting, so I'm going to have her join me here because she likes to do diamond art. So those of you who like to do diamond art, she is into that. And she is also into upcycling, recycling, and she makes them into organizers as well. So those of you who have found my channel from watching my organizational videos, she likes to do those things as well. And one of these days, I think she plans on having her own channel. So hopefully once that happens, you can also pop into her channel and also subscribe and support her. But in the meantime, she's going to get her feet wet here in my channel. So I'm going to start off first with her unboxing and first impression review, and then we're going to come back with my Walmart haul.
Let's open and let's see what's inside this white box. And the color is very cool, I should say, so it will definitely blend in with any house paint that you may have. Okay, first thing that you have to do, of course, is to read your user manual. And it says here that, okay, before the first use, remove all stickers from the appliance. You need to use warm water to clean your appliance. Use this side of your sponge. So it says, just a little detergent. Okay, very, very small. So your air fryer is now ready to rock and roll, and so is my pork chop here. Okay. First, simply push your push button here, timer, and reduce it to 3 minutes. Okay, just make sure that it's reduced to 3 minutes. Press the push button again so that you can preheat for 3 minutes. Okay, so right now it's preheated and it's already at 00. So pull out your fryer, put in your ingredients, just put them there. Okay, slide it back. Okay, make sure that it clicks. And now you're ready to cook. Press push, push M, then rotate the knob to scroll through the preset settings. Right now, I will cook it at 360 degrees. Okay, it's preset. I'm going to follow that for now. Here we go. Push. And let it fry. So in about a few seconds, your cooker will stop. When the time is off, okay, the appliance will beep to signal that cooking cycle is complete. The fan will continue spinning for about 20 more seconds. When it has totally stopped, you pull the pot out of the appliance and place it on a heat-resistant surface. So I'm going to pull this out now. This is what you get. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, okay, to pick up my food. Then put it on your plate. Wow, looks delicious, huh? Okay, so there you have it, folks. I totally enjoyed the outcome. My pork chops were cooked in such a way that it wasn't so greasy, okay? But then it was satisfying and savory at the same time. So if you want something like that to prepare for yourself or with your family, then OMORC
air fryer is the way to do it.
That was an awesome video that my sister made. Very impressed for her first video. I'm so proud of her. And now we can go to the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be the same brand and the same model of that air fryer, and that's a 5.8 quart air fryer. That's not a small air fryer. So for you who likes to fry things, who like to fry foods, this is going to be a healthier option for you. So stick around throughout this video. I'm going to be putting or doing an overlay on some clues, and then that's what you're going to be typing in your comment down below, and then you will be entered on the giveaway. Okay, to start off with my Walmart haul, I purchased this. This is a 20-inch by 6 feet, 10 square feet, and this is long. This is the smooth top with grip under it, so it doesn't really move a lot. So it'll be good for your breakables. This will be offering a protection aside from just protecting your shelf. It'll protect also the things that you are organizing. I have this gray plastic shower rings, and I am going to be using this in one of my projects, and I'm thinking perhaps I'm going to do some kind of tab curtains, and I'm going to use this instead of the regular hooks that you use for the drapes. I'm going to be using this ones, and these are actually for the shower curtains, but you can also use this for the regular curtains. And this one is a hanging storage pocket, and this is a nice color. I'm going to use this to organize things, not necessarily in the shower, but you know, feel free to use this over the shower door or on the cabinet door. I like this color as well, and I like that it comes two in a pack. And as you could see here, that's the reason why it's really for shower, you know, because if it gets wet, at least there's a drain here. So yeah, I like that this is also, you can interconnect them like you see here in the picture, where you can hook one of the hooks underneath, and then you can just put them as your organizers. I want to show you 3 white stonewares that I purchased at Walmart. Although Dollar Tree sells something similar, these are actually 12 cents cheaper because these are only 88 cents a piece. So this one is the dinner plate, and it says here it's durable and scratch resistant. Of course, it's breakable still, but this is microwave safe, and this is by Mainstays by Walmart. And this one is the smaller plate, which is also a salad plate, or you know, it's bigger than a saucer, of course, so you can just layer them that if you're looking into white. And then this one is just a plain, no ridges, because the one at Dollar Tree, I think they have kind of like ridges. This one is smooth. They're all 88 cents each, and this is the bowl, or the cereal bowl, or soup bowl. So what I'm going to try to do is, since I purchased this from Dollar Tree, my previous Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to be linking it up on the upper right hand corner. I purchased 2 of these because I want to spell something, because this one, the color here and this, I mentioned that on my haul that they look like Ray-Ban stickers, right? So that's what I even put on my title. So I'm planning on using some of them and you know, kind of putting words together, or the letters, and put some words together so that I can put them here that would spell something like maybe dine. I think you can spell here D-I-N-E for dine, E-A-T for eat, okay, H-O-T for hot. But if you're into chocolates, of course, this is something that you can also use. And I purchased these flour sack towels, and there are 5 in a pack. And let me just show you one. Again, there are 5 in here. For farmhouse style, this is something that you may want to buy, these flour sacks, because you can use this not only to dry your dishes or to use in your kitchen. This is bright and airy, so you can use this for a lot of things. And you know, even making pillow covers and whatnots. These are 9 pieces of towels, 6 solid grays, and then they have this white with gray stripes. What I like about this one is bleach safe, and it is fade proof. Here also there are 4 of these towels here, 2 solid grays and then 2 that are white with some stripes at the end, gray stripes at the end. I went to the fabric section and I saw this. This is what you call the fat quarter. I'm doing the gray stuff, so this is very pale or light gray, and this 3 are dark gray but with white handwriting or scripts, and I like that a lot. And then this one is white with gray stripes, however you look at it, maybe gray with white stripes. So yeah, white and gray. And then this one, of course, I like the steel color, and it's mixed with the gray and the white in chevron pattern, and all of them are in similar size. They're measuring 18" by 21", and this is perfect for covering your pillow forms, your decorative pillow forms, to make pillowcases, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing, these fabrics. Okay, fun stuff here. I like these fuzzy slippers. I don't know if you're into that, but I like this. This is only $3. It's on clearance, so whenever they do a drop in their prices, and this is a Disney product, Minnie Mouse, I do buy them. I didn't want to leave Walmart without grabbing this. I have been looking at this for quite some time now. When people were hauling them, I saw the natural color, and that was the one that I was kind of looking for. But white is a good second option. They also come in teal and pink. I like it. I like it a lot. It's so inexpensive for $5.88. And this is, of course, called an Easter basket. But to me, when I look at this, it looks like a tobacco tray or basket, right? So that's why I like it. And you know how those are when you go to places like Marshall's, Hobby Lobby, or even Home Goods. They're very expensive. I mean, at Hobby Lobby, even with your coupon, you cannot buy that for $5.88. This was by Home Zone. It's a decor basket, wooden crate, and this came in pink as well. So I took, of course, this color that I gravitate towards. I wish this came in natural color or white or even gray. Maybe it does. It just so happens that my store ran out of them. So for farmhouse style, this will be a nice add-on to our home. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will enter the giveaway. Read the description on how you can enter the giveaway, and I wish everyone luck and that who will be participating. And thank you all so much again for your support, for your love, and for helping me reach this milestone. And also, take care everyone. Talk to you again on my next video. God bless. Bye bye.